Hello students of class 7, welcome to the online tutorial classes for Vidya Bhavan High Secondary School. I will teach you chemistry, and the chapter what I will continue today is the matter and its composition, and this video is part 2. So in the previous video we discussed about the mass and the volume and the occupied space of the matter. Today I am going to tell you some interesting thoughts. What is it? Like N is the symbol. N is the symbol and it is a SI unit, and N means Newton. Okay, it is a standard unit by this unit we can actually write the weight of something, weight of some matter. So it is the unit for the weight. Like it is an interesting thing like that in our art. If something is 6 Newton in weight in earth, the same thing in the moon it is 1 Newton. Like if you have 36 kg, if you are 36 kg in weight, then your weight will be only 6 kg in the moon. Okay, so it's somehow very interesting. Like this symbol of Newton, which is a standard unit, it is named by Sir Isaac Newton. Isaac Newton, okay. He's a famous scientist and he research and his work is on the classical mechanism, okay. Classical mechanics. So mass and weight are different from each other, okay. So mass is the quantity of the matter and the weight is the force with which the earth pulls the body towards, okay. So they are something different. So now we are going to discuss about the composition and the characteristics about the matter, okay. So the characteristics of matter. So first, one activity that I can tell you, that if you can take one sheet of the paper and tear it into 2 half sheets, okay, tear it into 2 half sheets and then fold it in small halves and tear it and repeat it, and finally if you can make it into the small pieces of the paper, then you can also see that the small parts of the papers have the same characteristics like this big paper, okay. So the properties are always same. Hence, we can conclude that the paper, a kind of matter, is made of some tiny particles which exhibits all the properties of the paper, and it is the characteristics of the matter. Okay. So matter is composed of small tiny units by which, and every of the units have the same property like the bigger one. Okay. These small tiny particles are called atom. So what is the definition of the atom? Like an atom is the smallest possible unit of matter that exhibits all the properties of the matter. So usually the atoms do not have any individual existence, okay. They are joined together and form some molecule, okay. So the molecule means, the molecule definition is a molecule is the smallest unit of matter which exhibits all the properties of that kind of matter and also have an individual existence. Okay, so molecule is somehow bigger than atom, and it is the composed form of the atom by which it can be in the earth, it can present and it have some individual existence and also have same properties like the matter. Okay, so it is more bigger than so it is bigger than the atoms. However, the both of the particles are too small to be seen through by naked eyes. Okay, only they can be seen by the microscope. So let me give you some examples of this molecule. Okay, so as you know, the hydrogen is a gas. So hydrogen usually can be seen like the H2. Okay, here H is one atom and H2 is the individual molecule which can present individually. It's like same way nitrogen is also present like N2. Then H and O, that will form H2O. What is it? Water. So it is also a molecule. Okay, so individual H can't make the water, and the other one H also can't, and also individual oxygen also can't. But when they are joined together, they form the water, which is H2O. Okay, so now let me give you some more information about that. Like earlier, it was thought that all kinds of matter are made up of air, water, earth, sky and fire. Later on, Kanada, an Indian philosopher, and then John Dalton, an English scientist, proposed that all kinds of matter are made up of atoms. So these two scientists, like Kanada, Indian scientist, and John Dalton, proposed that all kinds of matter made up of atoms. So by matter, in this matter, obviously the atoms are present and all of the matters are composed of the atoms. Okay. So in the next class, next video, we are going to discuss about the characteristics of the particles of matter. Till then, thank you.